Hello there, McCarthy here with another changelog video for Blockbuster mode. This patch 1.2.1 introduces lots of enhancements and fixes. Now let's get into it. So I made few fixes to director blocks. So let me show you this director block interface. So now the scroll bar is draggable. Then the lower buttons are actually accessible. In previous version there was a bug that it won't allow to click those buttons. Now you can actually. Then I'll also increase the scrolling speed of the director block user interfaces. The same thing applies to director block. This is director map block. Another nice enhancement for user interfaces are tab completion for skin and camera profile. So let me show you that. Let's say we want to change the skin for this actor. We have lots of skins, like tons of them. I want to change his skin to derp one. So I'll type derp, and now we have derp one. Instead of pressing lots of times next or previous buttons, this is actually really easier. But what if I want to see what other skins do I have? Like derp, I have more. So also I can cycle through them using tab, or I can actually click on one of these, like derp guard. So and then done, and we change him. Yay! Now let's talk about the camera profile tab completion. So let's enter playback user interface and change the camera mode to load and play. Now if I'll press tab, I can change the profile file name to whatever file name I want to, so like to Batman. Then if I'll see the lures for playback button, I'll see that the camera profile that it plays is Batman. So that's it about user interface enhancements. Let's talk about commands. Okay, so the first thing I added is action stop. So what it does is actually stop the recording. So let me show like hello. If I'll record hello and I'll type action stop, it will stop the recording. The next command enhancement is a skin synchronization when you edit the skin with entity data command. Let me show you. So basically when you edit the skin with entity data, in previous versions you wouldn't see the effect of this. But in this version it was fixed by synchronizing the skin when you invoke the entity data command. With camera edit subcommand, now you can actually change the position and rotation of points inside of the path fixture. So let me show you. For example, I want to move this point over here. So what I do, I just type camera edit 0 and 0, and now our point at index 0 in this path fixture will be transported here. So let's take a look. Yeah, it works. Also, in this patch, I added time formatting for camera duration and camera add commands. So let me show you. For example, let's add a camera fixture idle for like 10 seconds. So now you can use the suffix s for seconds, or let's better add for 1 minute. So now we have for 1 minute, and then for 1 hour. Now our 3 newly created camera fixtures are for about 1 hour, 1 minute and 2 seconds. Well, actually 5 seconds because of this path fixture. So when we're going to type in camera duration, we'll have for this amount of time, which is basically 1 hour, 1 minute and 6 seconds, sorry. Okay, so the same thing goes to the camera duration. Now I can use the suffixes also in the camera duration like that. 5 seconds. Now it's 5 seconds. You can use the milliseconds format, it's still over there. Like if I'll type 6,000, it would be still 6 seconds. So that's it about commands. Now let's talk about items. So I changed the behavior for register an item and playback button. So let's start with register an item. So in the previous version, to actually register the actor to director block, you have to use register an item on actor first and then on the director block. But in this update, it's the other way around. So first you register in the register item to the director block, then you register every actor to the director block. Okay, so this way it's much easier to register actors to director block because you have to run less and do more. Now let's talk about the playback button behavior changes. So let me attach this playback button to the direct block. When you like far away and you want to get really fast to direct block, you can crouch and use the playback button to actually teleport to direct block. And then also, instead of just playing, so now playback button also can stop the playback of direct block. When you use it once, it plays, but when you use it another time, it actually stops. Really neat. So next section of this video is cameras. So what I added is I enhanced the camera profile rendering. Now it's more colorful. So we have here pinkish follow fixture, light bluish look fixture, I think, then purple path fixture, turquoise idle fixture, and green circle fixture. Then I made the follow fixture and look fixture more smoother. So let me show you that in action. So if I'll play the scene, you'll see how smooth it is. It's much smoother than it was, right? Last thing for today is more shortcuts for camera. So as you can see, there's like 20 of shortcuts that you could use for camera manipulation. So there's add different types of fixtures, like profile management, edit, reload, remove, save camera profile. There's path fixture shortcuts. There's some general like go to, stop, toggle camera profile rendering, choosing of the camera fixtures. There's also the duration manipulation shortcuts. So that's it about cameras. That's it, guys. The node link is in the description, as also a link to changelog. Also see camera control video, which shows one of the enhancements of this patch, more keyboard shortcuts for cameras. Thanks for watching.